Well, we're drying our soybeans today, and while that's going on, we can't harvest any corn, so I'm working on in the 1486 here. We're putting some two-way radios in. We bought these Kenwood TM-281s from the Antenna Farm is the name of the website. And I'm just mounting it here in the 1486. I made a little bracket here to mount on the right-hand side of the cab. But being that I'm deaf in the right ear, I also installed a speaker here on the left-hand side of the cab, so I can hear the radio when it's talking to me. Earlier this week, we mounted one of these radios in the combine, and on the 14 here, we just used a magnet mount antenna up on the roof. So we just got a magnet mount antenna here on the roof of the 14, the hole through the top cover. But on the combine, we did a mirror mount antenna. So with these radios, it's going to make it a lot nicer to be able to communicate between the combine operator and the grain cart operator. Yeah, so to route all the wires in the 14 here, I ended up taking out both speakers from the radio, and now I got to take the radio out to get the power for the new two-way radio. But I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So here we are. We got the radio in. Got this, the bracket here, and mounted the microphone here. Put the speakers back together here on both sides. The radio back in. Had to run power wire from the new two-way radio over to the old radio. And then, like I said, I mounted a speaker over here because, again, I'm deaf in the right ear, so having the radio on the right-hand side doesn't work too well for hearing, but it works really good for grain cart operation. So radio, again, it's a Kenwood TM-281. I got it from the Antenna Farm website. It's a two-way radio, amateur band, and then we got a magnet mount antenna on the roof of the tractor here. Poked it through a hole that was already in the roof cover of the tractor. Just got to get the proper size grommet, and there's a GPS antenna. Yeah, so got that all installed yesterday. Nice brisk morning this morning. I think it's like 9 degrees outside, so we'll be hauling some soybeans out today, and after we get done with that, we'll get the corn head out and do a little maintenance on that and get rolling on corn. Alright, thanks for watching. So I was going to show you the way we mounted the two-way radio in the combine, but also with this year we put a new seat in the combine. It's an air suspension seat, Sears seats. We got it from High Capacity. It's the model they have set up for to go in the Magnum tractors, but it bolted right into our CIH 1660 combine. It is nice. But here on top of the yield monitor, we mounted the radio right on top. And got the microphone there. And there's the 14. Well, you see there's the antenna we routed. So got all the wires tucked up inside the moldings, and did the same thing on the 14, so we got no wires sticking out, and I think it looks like a good install. Alright, thanks for watching.